The secret to chef-level tuna salad lies in proper draining and seasoning. Here's how to elevate tinned fish. Start by draining the tuna in a fine mesh sieve. This prevents a watery mixture that dilutes flavors. Let the drained tuna sit for 5 minutes, then press again gently to release any leftover moisture. Season the tuna with salt and pepper before adding any wet ingredients for maximum flavor penetration. When mixing with mayonnaise, fold gently to maintain texture. Over-mixing creates a paste-like consistency that loses the chunky, satisfying bite. Master these simple steps, and your tuna dishes will have professional depth and perfect texture every time. Like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more flavorful recipes.